OTracker is a cutting-edge AI-powered web analytics solution designed to help businesses optimize their website performance and enhance the digital experience for their customers. By providing a centralized view of key metrics through a universal user dashboard, OTracker enables users to track performance and emerging trends across digital channels effortlessly. The platform offers features such as heat maps, user path analysis, and personalized notifications to help businesses make data-driven decisions and improve their online presence. One of the standout features of OTracker is its ability to provide advanced insights beyond traditional analytics. Users can leverage machine learning algorithms to analyze data points and optimize conversion funnels, leading to increased conversions and business growth. The platform also offers features like user profiling, IP blocking, campaign tracking, and real-time insights to help businesses gain a deeper understanding of user behavior and preferences. With OTracker, businesses can track their website's visibility in search engine results through the keyword ranking feature, allowing them to assess the effectiveness of their SEO efforts and refine their strategies accordingly. By optimizing their search engine presence, businesses can increase organic traffic and enhance their online visibility. In addition to its advanced features, OTracker ensures data accuracy by allowing users to block unwanted domains and eliminate referral spam. By analyzing and segmenting user groups, businesses can gain valuable insights into behavior patterns and engagement levels, enabling them to tailor their digital marketing strategies for maximum impact. Overall, OTracker provides businesses with the tools they need to unlock the full potential of their website and drive sustainable growth. With its AI-driven insights, real-time data tracking, and advanced features, OTracker empowers businesses to make informed decisions and optimize their digital presence for success. Embrace the power of OTracker today and discover a world of possibilities for your business.